How to watch YouTube in China. As you know, YouTube.com is blocked by Great Chinese Firewall, along with other websites like Google.com, Instagram or Facebook.com. So today I'm going to show you how to watch YouTube while being in China. Let's start. As you can see over here, I tried to connect to youtube.com website, however, as you can see, this site can't be reached because I'm currently in China. So in order to connect to youtube.com and watch videos, we will have to use a program called VPN. I personally, every time I visit China, use ExpressVPN because this VPN in China works the best. So all you need to do is install ExpressVPN on your computer or on your phone. It will work on Windows, Mac, iPhone and Android phones. You'll find the link to ExpressVPN in the description of this video. You will also find a link to two alternative VPNs that work perfectly fine in China, so either of those will work. And once we open the application, all we have to do over here is select location. So it's best to go to recommended, and from my personal experience, the best locations to bypass the firewall being in China is either Singapore, Hong Kong or USA. Those three work the best and the fastest. Of course, it could be different in your case, so I would recommend testing different locations and seeing what works best for you. So in this test, I'm gonna connect to USA location. All I need to do is click 2 times, and as soon as I do this, it's already connecting to the USA. The first connection could take anywhere from few seconds to few minutes, but after it's done, everything we do on the internet is already encrypted. It's already bypassing a Great Chinese Firewall. So once we connect, we can start using youtube.com being in China. Let's see, I'm gonna refresh it. And as you can see, youtube.com is already loading and I can play any video I want. So let's say I'm gonna play this video just to check if it really works. And as you can see, the video is playing. So this is how we can watch youtube.com in China. That's it for today, and remember to click thumbs up, subscribe our channel and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.